quilting, but I got this for my birthday. This is my scrapbook, and look how good this picture looks. See how good it looks? And I'm gonna take this and put it in here, and I'm gonna put the date and all that. So I'm gonna take this, what it got, and I'm gonna put it in here. Basically everything I use. This brown rice is just like the quick rice you put in the oven, and then this is just the meat. But yeah, it doesn't look appeasing, but I promise you it's good. So basically I just put sour cream, cheese, lettuce, the ground turkey, and brown rice in these little 3 things, but they're just so small, so it looks wild, but I promise it's good. What's up, you guys? Happy Thursday. I have not done too much talking in this vlog. I basically just been picking up the camera as I feel the urge to. Don't judge. Don't judge. Anyway, I feel like in every one of my vlogs we've done this. I got a package from Shein. And yeah, so basically this is just a happy to me from me. The real reason I made the whole order was because, girl, I broke my favorite bracelet, well, my favorite ankle bracelet at a certain individual in America's house. And I didn't have an extra one. And I usually buy these ankle bracelets like in twos, but we'll get into that later. Let me get this package open. But this, okay, this is what I'm most excited for. This is what I'm most excited for. I've been eyeing this bag for quite some time. I think you already know. But let me show it to y'all. She is sexy. She is the moment. She's the moment. So, y'all, how? Look at this. Look at this. Baby. She's nice. She feels great. And I can't wait to rock her. So let me show you the specs. I've been, oh, okay. I've been eyeing her in this color and like in a nude. But I decided to go with black because it's such a good like color to have. But she is the moment. Let me keep taking some of this stuff off of her. This is a very nice bag for the fall, or even like a date night, like a night out type of bag. Cause you're gonna see this, the other bag that I have too. I only have like really one very nice black going out bag, and girl, I don't wore it to shreds. It was time for a new one. So, okay, got the little bubble wrap in here. So she's pretty spacious. You see, you got this area here and you got an area there. There's only one little zip area here in the back, but she's nice. I got on a nightgown. I want to stand up and show y'all the specs, and hopefully my nightgown doesn't scare y'all. Girl, this is what always like on a plus size girl. This is cute. Girl, this is cute. I like this. And let me see. So you can also do the, if you were considering getting this bag, get her. She's the moment. She's cute. She's nice. I don't remember how much I paid for her. She was on sale too. Estimate $15. She's cute. Okay. Because I'm telling y'all, the black bag that I have, girl, the gold isn't tarnishing, but so I needed another like really small, nice night out bag. So I chose this one. It has this type here. Plastic on the inside. This is what it looks like. Pretty standard. Now this one doesn't have any like zipper compartment. It's pretty empty on the inside. But this is what she looks like. I like her. Yeah, she looks like she is a great for a night little bag. And I can always like double it up. Or at least I think I can. Girl, I don't know. I can do that later. But this is so big girl friendly. These are cankle friendly. These are literally my favorite style anklets. I've had a few people DM me like, where'd you get your ankle bracelet from? Girl, Shein. It's this particular one though. And it has like a little heart. Where's it at? Yeah. Has a little heart there. But girl, this thing fits me. And I'm a 300 plush pal. I love these. I buy them in twos, girl. They don't tarnish fast. I shower in these. I'm able to keep these on for a good 3 months. For real, give or take. No problems. I love these. Let me try to get it out of here. I love how thick they are. I love these. I love these. And so I buy them in twos. Because when one pop, I got another one at the house. Look how pretty. And when I tell y'all, it stays that way for months. But yeah, I just want to pop in and show you guys. I've been so excited about my little anklets in my bag. I've been so excited about getting them. So I wanted to show y'all those. And I will check in with y'all the next time I pick up my camera sometime this week. See ya. Happy Sunday. So you guys will probably get used to this outfit. You've seen it before, girl. I shot a video earlier. Anyway, let's get into what I'm doing right now. I'm throwing away old makeup and we're about to go to Ulta and buy some more makeup. Yeah, because I just recently used let's see, I kept them in here just in case I don't find it at Ulta today, and I'm like, well, they old, but I'm gonna just keep rocking with them. These HD concealers by NYX or NYX, whatever you call it, girl. I need those, so I'm gonna throw this away. This is, as you can see, girl, just old, just been sitting in here, and I need to throw them away. And I literally never use that. This has a really great mirror, but I'm gonna throw it away because I don't use it anyway. We're gonna throw this away and go to Ulta, see what we can find on sale, including some duo glue, because the duo glue I got in here, girl, look how look how it looks. Anyway, we kept it just in case I can't find no more, but let's go to Ulta. Clean my sponges because they really needed to be clean. You know how that go. But yeah, let those air dry. Novocaine. Numb the pain. Novocaine. Seconds, I thought that they were not selling this anymore, and I was gonna be a little sad. Last one, 8. Nutmeg. This is 8.2. I need 8. They don't have 8. I need that shade. Let me see if they got any in the back. Basically, dries invisible. It's the best good shampoo and conditioner, but they only have conditioner, so I'm gonna have to also order the shampoo. Just like I'm gonna have to order the NYX concealer. They don't have a lot of the things that I need today, but that's only 2 things. At least we're leaving with this. Hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. This is my favorite. Love
I can't fulfill it. No, I can't, no, I can't, no, I can't. I can't fulfill it.
I love these. Keep it in my shower. It's so good for when I scrub my feet. Love these. I need another one. I think they're only like $3.99. Yeah, I need another one of those. Pass it up. Alright, y'all, so I kind of vlogged while I was in there in the stores, but then I kind of didn't. So I'm gonna just show y'all what I got real quick. So first things first, you know, I said this before on my channel. Me and one of my close friends, Jalen, like, we always get each other gifts when we see each other, just like little happies of like stuff that we like. So I know my friend, he's really into his skin. I almost want to keep this for myself, but whatever. So I got him this brightening duo kit, y'all. So this is the vitamin C serum that I love. I actually just got through talking about that on my channel. But this also has the vitamin C brightening and eye firming eye cream. I want to keep it for myself, but I'm not gonna do them yet. This duo was only $7.99. Girl, usually the serum by itself is $6.99. So it has the eye cream and the serum. Like, you can't beat it. You can't beat it. This is a deal. I'm gonna give it to my friend. Okay, so the other thing that I got him was this vitamin C rejuvenating sheet mask. He loves to do these masks. So I got him a pack of these, and these were only $3, and it's 5 masks. So I got him that, and I'll probably get him like a candle or something like that too, but I just want to get him a little happy. Now for me, I got these Petty Scrub in a sponge, so I keep this in my shower. They say they can only last up to 20 washes, but I feel like I've used mine more than 20 times, and there's still so much product in there. So after I like exfoliate with my little what do you call those things, the little rock stone things, I do that like every 3 days. I also use this right behind it, and it keeps my heels looking great, looking smooth. So I had to get another one of these because the one in my bathroom, I've kept it for too long, and they're only $3.99. So anyway, this cleanses, exfoliates, moisturizes, and massages. So it's a Petty Scrub and sponge. Petty Scrub in a sponge, and it has product inside of it. All you gotta do is wet it, and it comes out. I love this product, and I stand by it. This is what it looks like. One more thing that I bought for myself. Y'all know I'm a bronzer girl. I love me a good bronzer, and I'm absolutely in love with this e.l.f. Putty bronzer. This is in the shade Sun Kiss. I have this at home, and I love it. I got it on today. It's a very natural bronzer. I love applying it. I usually don't have to put on any powder or anything after. I love it. And listen, this was only $3.99. $3.99 in Marshall, and it was the only one, so I grabbed it. Now I price checked it, and Ulta, this would have been $7. All I had to do was walk to the next store, save $3-4. I love that for me. So yeah, and then in Ulta, I did get the eye glue from Duo. All right, so another thing that I wanted to get was my Design Essentials shampoo and conditioner. They only had the conditioner, so I ordered the shampoo, and it's free shipping when you order it at the store, and they ship it to your house. So, and I also wanted to get the NYX HD concealer. So yeah, they had it in the shade 07, but they didn't have it in the shade 08, so I ordered that too. But yeah, this was fun just to get out the house. I've been inside the house all weekend, so I just got out, and since I just threw away my makeup and I needed to re-up on some stuff, I just went ahead and bought it. And then another thing that I think I'm going to just add it to my birthday list is the e.l.f. primer. It's a dupe to the Milk primer, the Milk Grip primer, and I've been wanting to try it for a very long time and didn't get it. So I'm gonna wait and get it when, like, I'm gonna put it on my birthday list and ask somebody for it. But yeah, I got everything that I needed and went ahead and picked up my gift for Jalen because I go to Texas in 2 weeks. We go to Texas in 2 weeks, girl. So I want to get my friend gift so I can have that and not have to like try to figure that out. I have on the NYX concealer, and you guys, I'm reminded how much I love this concealer. I don't know why I stopped wearing it. I think it's because I became a Fenty girl so hard. But to be completely honest, I love this concealer so much more. So yeah, I don't know why I stopped using it, but baby, I re-upped on it, and I'm going to be using it more often because it looks so good. Looks very natural. I love that for me. So yeah, I'm going to quit talking. I think this is going to be the end of the vlog, by the way. I think I did a vlog for a week. I didn't really do anything in here. So if you made it to this point in the vlog, I thank you. Even if I'm just background noise, girl, I thank you. And I will see you guys in the next weekly vlog. Talk to y'all later.